Hello everyone, welcome again to another session of Materia Medica series. So in this session, I am going to explain a very common drug, that is Natrum. The Natrum group especially, concentrating more on Natrum Mur. So to know Natrum, I hope you all have seen my previous video, that is of Kali group. If not, then I have added the link on top. Please watch it because it correlates. So if you have seen the Kali video, I spoke about the action membrane potential and the resting membrane potential in that video. So we were talking about the sodium potassium channel. Now in the Kali video we saw that whenever there is a stimuli, potassium goes outside and sodium comes inside. So now to understand that, if you have seen that video, you will understand this very much better. So as we can see, sodium comes inside. So what does that mean? It means that Natrum as a person is very introverted. It is like a closed book. He is very reserved, secretive also, and they have this one-to-one relation. Now what is one-to-one relation? It can be with anybody, not only a partner or a spouse. It could be with a book or with a pet. It is just कोई एक इंसान जिनके साथ उनको बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable होता है, वो उन्हीं के साथ open up होते हैं, ठीक है? And then what is the need specially of Natrum? It is not only love, it is love and esteem. So they are very much sensitive to rudeness because of the love part, and they are also sensitive to criticism because their esteem is also very high. And other than that, there is marked avota. What is avota? Angry when obliged to answer. कि उनको एक चीज़ दो बार पूछो तो उससे भी irritation होता है. उनका conscience जो रहता है, that is so high कि if they don't like a person also, still they will be good to that person. This is because of the conscience part. एंड देन अदर देन दैट उनका जो सैड मेलनखॉलिक मूड होता है, इस वजह से उनको म्यूजिक भी एकदम सैड सॉफ्ट म्यूजिक पसंद रहेगी, अदरवाइज दे विल हैव एग्रेवेशन टू म्यूजिक. ओके, एंड देन द confirmatory points, obviously we all know, that is sun aggravation and salt desire. To know more, join a module sessions, purchase book from a description box, and then there are any remedies that you want to learn, drop it in the comment box. Thank you.